everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes, and this is a channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks. And today guys, we are going to try out a recipe from the book that we cooked from the last time you saw a video, because I left you hanging. We created something, we made something, then I told you we are going to use it for the next video, and the day is here with us guys. If you watch the video, I know you know the book you're cooking for, and if you didn't watch the video, this is a book that you're going to use, Everday Low Lectin Cookbook by Claudia. This is a book that is that has more than 100 recipes, and this is a book that has recipes that are lectin free, low in lectin, gluten free. So if that's what you are looking for, this is the book to get. And guys, like I said in my previous video, the book is in different segments, so we are going to try out a recipe in the fish section. This is the first time I'm trying out a recipe from the fish section from Claudia's books. Even with the other one, I've never tried a fish recipe, so this is the first time. So yeah, let me show you what you're working with. Not before what you're working, let me show you what you're going to cook. Look at that, it looks really nice, really yummy. So guys, we will try and make Danish style fish cakes with dill yogurt sauce. Danish style fish cake with dill yogurt sauce. So that's what we're going to try and make today guys. So welcome to today's video. Let me show you what you are working with. And our ingredients are divided into two sections, one for the sauce and one for the fish. And yeah, today I'll taste two things that I've never tasted in my life. Yeah, there's some capers. That one we're going to use it for the sauce, and then we are going to use the fish. We are going to use, the book says you can use cod or salmon, but I'm going to use cod. That's the fish I'll use for this particular recipe. So those two things that I've mentioned, the capers and the cod, this will be my first time tasting them. So let's see what we are going to produce. If this is what is going to come out, it looks really nice. So welcome to today's video. So this is what we are going to use for the sauce. I have some coconut yogurt. I have some mayo. This is a mayo that we made the last time I posted the video, the basic mayo. That's what you're going to use today. I have some dill. I have some capers. I have some grated onions, and I have some lemon. Guys. So let's first of all make the sauce. We put it in the fridge so that we can continue with the fish. I want to chop the capers first, that I can mix, because for the sauce all you need to do is mix everything in one bowl. Oh my Lord, how do you chop these things like this? It's working. So guys, have you ever tried capers? And if you have, what did you make with them? Let me know in the comment section. This is the first time. I usually see them in the supermarket, but I've never bothered to buy them. This will be the first time using them. But from what I've learned online, they're very salty. So in this particular recipe, the book says a pinch of salt if necessary. Yes, that's what, because it says some other elements are already salted, and yeah, these ones are very salty. I've already tasted them. So for the sauce, the book says that we mix all the ingredients in one bowl. then we put in the fridge. It sits there and waits for the fish to be ready. And some lemon juice. I think we have achieved what is in the book already. Look at that and that. Don't you think so, guys? Look at that. This side, and we continue. So here is my fillet. I've already chopped it in cubes. I have some grated onions, an egg. I have some coconut cream, zest of lemon. And on this plate, I have some salt, I have some allspice, I have some curry powder, and I have some black pepper. I have some dill. And this is some cassava flour. Cassava flour. Yes, that's it. You can also use hazelnut flour, almond flour, or tiger nut flour. I've decided to use cassava flour. You're going to use a food processor. I've forgotten to mention about the oil. You can use olive oil or avocado oil. I'll use olive oil. So into the food processor, I'm going to put my fillet, and then I process it. The book says that we are looking for a paste-like texture, so don't be afraid to process well. I think this is okay. So the next thing we're going to add is the onion, the egg, the coconut cream. Guys, don't forget to get the book so you can get the exact measurements for the ingredients. And then what? The lemon zest. All the spices. Yes. This one's on the plate. Good. And then process it again. I think this is okay. Now the book says we start adding more flour until you get a consistency that keeps the paste-like texture but not too wet. Okay, let's add. Why did you stop? Why did you stop? Oh, the lid. Guys, we still have the dill over here, and I don't know at what time we're supposed to add it, because we've added the onions, the egg, the coconut cream, the lemon zest, and the spices. This is where I will add the dill, because now am I tired? But I can't even see where it is or what. It is. There's one thing that the book says, the quality and the color of the texture will depend on what flour you will use. So have that in mind. Look at that. So we need to make 10 patties. Yeah. And then after that, we're going to do what? We're going to fry them for 4 to 5 minutes per side each. And 9, 10, 9, 10. Some are bigger, others are small, but it's okay. Yep. So guys, let's cook. You put as many as can fit, but make sure that you do not crowd the pan. The pan, the pan, the pan. That is the first batch. That is the first batch. So for the second batch, I have flattened them more because you see this one on the sides, it's not yet brown. So I've decided to flatten this more. We see the difference. As you can see, guys, there's a huge difference. At least the sides now have browned. Yeah, there you go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. My people, our food is ready. Let's try this one out. It looks really nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yo. Mm. This recipe has not disappointed me. Number one, it looks exactly like what's in the book and it tastes nice. It's really yummy. The combination of the fish and the sauce. And I put the some greens, just like the book recommended. Let me go eat, guys. See you in the next video. I hope you'll try out this particular recipe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and which other recipe do you want me to try out for you in the book, guys. Bye bye, and God bless you so much. Bye, guys.